How to fix Instagram Reels not working. So here is a step-by-step guide to fix Instagram Reels not working on your iPhone. So first of all you have to do is simply restart the app. Force close Instagram completely, then reopen it and try using Reels again. After that, check your internet connection. Make sure you are on a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection, or you can also try switching between networks, or you can simply restart the router and make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi internet connection. After that, look for the App Store and tap on it. Then tap on the search address bar and type down Instagram and search for it. Then all you have to do is tap on the official Instagram app from the list, and if an update is available, tap on the update. New updates often fix bugs related to Reels and features. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.